The first thing we did in decontaminating the paintwork on the car was we used a traffic foam remover to remove things like bird muck, bug splatter and tar itself from the paintwork. This is a non-contact step, which is something that you want to do to try and preserve the paint and not add any additional scratches. We then followed that up with a jet wash. Moving on from that, we used the iron fallout remover, spraying that onto the paintwork liberally. We used a brush then to agitate the paintwork and work that into the paint to make sure that we got all the iron that's embedded into the paint out of the paintwork where possible. And you can repeat those stages until you feel that the paint is as decontaminated as possible. And this again is a non-contact approach where you don't want to be adding additional scratches to the bodywork. Following those steps, you want to then proceed with a bucket and sponge using a grit guard so that we don't transfer any grit from the car into the soapy water solution and then apply it back to the car. You want to try and separate the grit as much as possible. You can as well, which is the preferred method, use a 2-bucket method. So you'd use 1 bucket with the grit guard to rinse the mitt, and then the second bucket would be used to load up again on soapy water so that you can then apply it onto the car and make sure you're getting all those stubborn bits of road grime off of the car that you'd need to remove before even touching anything like a polisher or any sort of compound onto the paintwork. So once you've soaped the entire car, you've given the car a good thorough wash. The next step after that, after you've rinsed it down obviously with the jet wash, is to clear bar the area that you're wanting to polish, folding it over repeatedly to make sure that you are using a nice clean section of the clear bar. The reason you do this is, again, there will still be embedded dirt within the paint and you want just the paint itself before you start polishing the vehicle. So that's the decontamination process finished. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more how-to videos and check out the Silverline tool range for more tools that you can use on your own projects.